I bought two, and I love the first one I'm going to show you is actually this one. You can see it, if you can see it up close. Oh my god, it's the Coach booty. I love it. It actually is so beautiful. It is in almost like a caramel brown color, and I don't have any of these booty. Just something you can throw on with some jeans, a nice skirt even. But these, you know, you if you're going casual Friday night, you're going out with a girlfriend, you can throw them on. You wear these at work with some nice trousers too. So I was looking for a pair of these and just could not find something that I really like. I love this little emblem at the side there that shows right there. Obviously, you can see that. So I love that. I think it's really cute. They had it in black, but I thought this color was so much more what I want, because I just bought that Louis Vuitton purse. That's the hobo, and it is almost this color, maybe a little lighter, but I can still pair them with it because I really like it. So this I can still pair with that Louis Vuitton hobo purse that I just bought, that I haven't actually take out yet. So this is gonna be a really nice outfit. This Friday I might be hanging with a girlfriend at one of my favorite wineries. So I am going to see if this is something that I would wear with some nice jeans and just really, and a nice sweater. This would definitely look chic, but I'll definitely show you when I put together. I'll definitely have a picture of it to show how it looks with that outfit. This I absolutely love. I thought that, you know, the 10 wasn't going